Hi guys, Lou here and welcome back to Acorn Hill. It is slowly coming up Christmas here in our household, and along with that for today, for an extra dose of Filipino Friday, this is Christmas parol making here on Filipino Friday. I mentioned this on a previous post, but when it comes to Christmas celebrations, no one does it better than us Filipinos. Charming, jubilant, and resilient, we are also known to celebrate the longest Yuletide season in the world. The Philippines holds the unique distinction of setting the Christmas scene and deliver that Christmas spirit when the months of the year start to end in BER. That's to say that from September, October, November, and down into December, we celebrate and deliver Christmas like you wouldn't believe. And arguably, there is no other Christmas symbol in the Philippines apart from the Nativity that exudes that quintessential Yuletide warmth than the parol. Parol is Filipino for lantern. Parol, pronounced with a rolling R, came from the Spanish word farol, meaning lantern. The origins of the craft for making this lantern is pretty interesting. It came originally from Italy. From Italy, the craft moved into Spain, and while Spain was busy with their colonization, they introduced this craft to the Mexicans in the form of piñatas. And from there, they also introduced them eventually to the Philippines. Early parols were made to be used as lanterns to light the way to the church for the Misa de Aguinaldo, starting from December the 16th up to the midnight of December 24. As you can tell right now, parols are shaped into stars. The star that used to guide the wise men leading to the birth of the Christ child in Bethlehem. The Bethlehem star is almost a religious symbol to many Filipinos. Filipinos are innate artisans. Whether we buy them manufactured in big quantities or fabricated in the local neighborhood, the parol comes in many sizes, shapes, and intricacies of design. What I like most are those made from unconventional materials. Every Filipino can tell you about their unique stories with their parol. It's a unifying symbol for many Filipinos, as during the Yuletide season, across all economic levels, every household owns and shows their parol right before Christmas. Making handmade parol conjures up memories from when I was young. Growing up, it's a tradition in my family to make them by hand. My father would build the frame made out of bamboo, and my mother would be the one, along with my sister and I, cutting the tissue paper into shapes to be pasted on the parol's bamboo frame. And so this year on our channel, as we enter into the Yuletide season, I want to honor my family by building a traditional parol with the frame traditionally made from bamboo and panels cut from the traditional papel de hapon or tissue paper, and with the trimmings made from the same material. I'm excited to show and share with you how I make our 2020 Christmas parol by hand from start to finish.